Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a tour through the residential part of New Kingston. We're going to look at the construction of some of the nicest apartment buildings you will find in Jamaica. More specifically, we're going to look at the Cambridge apartments in New Kingston and the Via at the Braemar. Those are two of the nicest buildings you will find in Jamaica, and they are located in the New Kingston area. So we are on Trafalgar Road. On the right is the more of the commercial part of New Kingston, where you'll find the office buildings, the commercial buildings, the banks, the insurance companies, those kind of things. On the left is where you'll find more of the residential apartments, and these apartments go for top dollar because they are in New Kingston. And as a business hub of Jamaica, yeah, a lot of activity happens in New Kingston. A lot of foreigners come to New Kingston for business as well, and they need somewhere to stay. So even though there are a lot of hotels in New Kingston, their hotels sometimes are booked out. So here you can see the largest apartment building in Jamaica. It's called the Cambridge. That's it on the right. And it's mostly it's apartments, one bedrooms and townhouses. Sorry. One bedrooms and studio apartments. And this is we're on Musgrave Avenue now. We're going to get a better look at it from another angle. So on the left now is the Hampshire, which is actually the same company that built the Cambridge built the Hampshire, and the Hampshire did so well that they decided, let's build another building. They were built by Guardian Life, or not, I think the current name is Guardian, and they decided the Hampshire did so well, so they said, let's build another apartment building even bigger than the first. So they built the Cambridge, which is the largest apartment building in Jamaica. I'm not sure how many apartments are over there, but I will check it out, or if anybody knows, they can leave a comment in the section below. It's still under construction, so persons haven't moved in yet. Okay, now coming up into view on the left is the Via at the Braemar. That's a very nice building. It's actually, I'm not sure if it's still under construction, but here you can see where the zinc fence is. This is a new building going up that's under construction. I don't think the Braemar is finished. I'm not sure. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. It's a very nice building. It was built by Proven, and these buildings cost billions to build. Billions. Okay, there's a car coming out, so maybe some persons have moved in. Okay, yeah, it looks like it's finished because there are cars over there. Alright, so as we said, this part of New Kingston is where you're going to find all the residential homes. Now you have one or two business places, but that's because they have converted a home into an office. So on the left now is the Argyle, and then on the left now is the Hampshire. And they have some of the old buildings like Embassy Suites on the right, but we're focusing more on the newer ones. So here is a very nice view of the Cambridge. It's actually two towers. These are still under construction. Alright, there's another apartment complex going up now. There it is on the right. It's still under construction. Not sure what the name of this one is. If anybody knows the name of this complex, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. Usually they have a sign up with what the building is going to look like when it's finished, but that one doesn't have one. Alright, so we're back out on Lady Musgrave Road now. I'm just going to take one more quick spin through here. Okay, so here we have the Viat Braemar again. Okay, that's the Cambridge straight ahead. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think of these projects and the video. Alright guys, have a good day.